गाना अच्छा
कल
है
से try
लेकिन
कर रही
यार
है।
अजय बख्शी स्वीट एंड सेक्सी मेरे को anyway
अजय
I'll go
बख्शी
with my
नहीं है
Sid
वो,
moments.
कुछ और है वो, नील बख्शी और हाँ
वो तो निकी बख्शी स्वीट एंड
whatever.
पता है मेरे को like I'm just दिखी यार
मोर देन द पॉडकास्ट मैं क्विज के लिए देखती हूँ कि अच्छा ये सीन में ये हुआ, ओके अभी इसका ये नाम है, इस कैरेक्टर का फिर भी कैरेक्टर का नाम नहीं याद रहता है बट या
I know.
Are we guessing
Oh,
the
you sh-
movie next?
Oh,
What are we
shit.
doing? No, right?
We have not. We
we
forgot
have not
about the
even
next movie.
decided who is choosing the movie.
Hi everybody. Welcome to another episode of 10 रुपए की Pepsi हमारा शाहरुख sexy. So we are three friends. I'm Preeti, Deeksha, and Diggy. We try to watch a movie weekly, which is a Shahrukh movie. Try because we've basically been failing at it massively in the past. But
Hey, we were
And-
regulars
yeah,
for like 1 quarter. Now
Yeah,
we've been thoda sa.
Close to 4 months, I think we were pretty
Yeah.
good.
yeah.
Like, we
ठीक है
discussed,
travel
like,
plans
then
traveling plans और time zones तो चलो allowed है
Yeah. अब हम कौन सा full time podcasters हैं यार. It's okay. I think we
काश।
can grant ourselves this break. काश देखो ambitions.
हाँ मुझे सर्फ बेचना है यार
So,
but anyway so
Very topical.
yes we watch movies and talk about them and mostly simp and today we are discussing a very very simpy Shahrukh movie again so it's my pick today and we're doing
I
a
didn't think it was a
2000s
very, very
movie.
simpy Shahrukh movie, by the way. I thought it was a good movie.
Oh,
But I didn't like, I mean, yeah. There's few scenes here and there, but
I think first half I was fully simping over him. So I think I am a biased person anyway. मैं को बिल्कुल मिला. I only have 2-3 agendas as you say when I'm watching a movie. But yes, we are watching फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी which released in 2000. We watched it on Netflix. Today I have remembered to tell in the beginning कि please ये इंडिया में तो Netflix पे है बाहर कहाँ है I don't know for all our
Preeti is so
international
unprepared.
listeners.
Preeti is so unprepared that she remembered to just say that it's on Netflix because she's like मैं और क्या बोलूंगी धीरे-धीरे थोड़ा कुछ सोच लूंगी तो Netflix पे ये पहले बोल देती हूँ.
it took her very long to come around to the fact that the movie we are reviewing is फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तान.
कोई नहीं वो तो पॉडकास्ट टाइटल में हम डाल देंगे.
कोई नहीं थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी but फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी is my pick. I chose the movie because I love the movie actually. It bombed at box office back in the day and every time I rewatch it I'm like यार ये तो क्या बढ़िया movie है ये कैसे bomb हो गए. So and I really wanted to discuss a little bit more about the movie. I think more so because it makes a lot more I don't know relatable and sense in 2024 sadly. And at the same time, Juhi and Shah Rukh's chemistry and everything. Like, basically, I love the movie. I love the songs. I will be probably singing songs at loud pitch in sometime in this podcast. So that's the reason I picked the movie. Also, की जो director है वो Yes Boss के director थे जो हमें अपने quiz में तो याद नहीं था. तो इस बार हम उसके बारे में भी थोड़ी बात कर सकते हैं. हमने व्हाट्स द प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी यार प्लीज थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट करो
प्रीति का रैम्बल चलता ही जा रहा है.
Okay, so Shah Rukh Khan is Ajay Bakshi. And I don't remember Juhi Chawla's character's name. Riya something.
Riya Banerjee.
Riya Banerjee.
She
and they are
plays
both
a big-
reporters for rival news corporations. One is Kakeda TV and one is Galaxy with 2 E's at the end.
Double E.
And
Galaxy.
they both have a rivalry
KTV.
going on who is the most popular not mainstream, what is the prime time news shows. They both have opposite political affiliations, not Shah Rukh and Juhi, the two corporations. And they're also like very there's a lot of very very evident media politics tie-in references ki matlab how media helps hype up particular parties or politicians and all of that, and the journalists also kind of contribute to it. Yeah, and the movie ka first half is mostly just joke between the two of them, very like fun bantering and chemistry. And then do you want to talk about the rest of the more serious plot?
So yeah, like as you just said, ki money plays a bit of role here, even in journalists. Also because we're talking about post-liberalized India again, like very early 2000. So ambition is there, so everybody wants a piece of it. So do the politicians, and so do the corporations running these businesses. And in the second half of the movie, we do come to see how Ajay Bakshi, even though he's ambitious, but he does get impacted by how these politicians use religion, caste, all of that in some ways or not, to have dange ko English mein kya bolte? Sorry.
Riots.
Riots across the city, making people, lose their livelihood, lives, loved ones, etc. And Paresh Rawal is a aggrieved father who actually does shoot one of the politicians' behnoi. In a Padayatra ka speech, which basically then is just amplified by the police to be said that this is actually a terrorist activity, because they didn't want the politicians to get jail and everything. And then it does come across in the next few hours of the movie on why did Paresh Rawal actually did what he did, and how then Shah Rukh and Juhi kind of try to get him out of jail, but they are kind of failing at it because people are powerful. And they record his video of saying the truth of why he did it, but वो फिर उससे छीन लेते हैं वो कैसेट, और ये सब अभी 2024 में शायद नहीं हो पाता, but anyway. And then yeah, basically it's about कि उसको फिर क्या होती है, उसको फांसी हो जाती है, and then everybody just comes around to stop what's happening because truth should stand.
Wait, you missed a big plot line, because they did manage to eventually get back that tape which was stolen from them, and they
display that tape
broke into the news building, and they hijacked the stream to ensure that all of the country could see his testimonial, which was very emotionally empowering and moving. And obviously people rally together, and then what you said, they come together.
And then Shah Rukh saves him from the Phansi by jumping and picking him up. So yes, that's basically the plot summary. I think we've got it here and there. I hope so. But
यार उसको जैसे जंप करने की जरूरत नहीं थी ना, वो फांसी वो थोड़ा हो भी जाता, वो जाके थोड़ा इंस्टेंटली डेथ होने वाली थी उसकी। तो थोड़ा
पता नहीं यार, वो तो बॉलीवुड में तो इंस्टेंट डेथ हो जाता है, वो जवान में कैसे दिखाया था, दैट वाज वेरी
to watch. But अरे when the Vijay Sethupathi
the first scene na, the first suicide also na, the farmer suicide also na, पेड़ पे लटक जाता है, और फिर वैसे भी वो विजय सेतुपति बोलता है कि तुम्हारी जीभ लटक जाएगी and all that, like the description of suicide, like the
that description itself implies पूरा time लगेगा, आराम से मरोगे।
ऐसे पता नहीं
यार,
बॉलीवुड ने तो नहीं सिखाया हमें,
थोड़ा तो फिल्मी मूवी था, in spite of like the
थोड़ी फिल्मी मूवी थी।
यार शाहरुख बचाएगा यार आके, उसका ब्लड लगा हुआ, मतलब ऐसे विक्ट्री तो फील होनी चाहिए ना, मतलब
इतना सारा पूरे देश को सड़कों पे लेकर आया है, एक छलांग तो मारेगा वो बचाने के लिए।
Yeah. Anyway, first thoughts, Diggy. What was your experience watching it this time?
First? Like, or should I just ठीक है,
मैं
I'll
तो
take a
बहुत
shot.
देर से बातें कर रही हूँ यार,
I think
प्लीज टेक ओवर।
yeah, sure. तो ये मैंने मूवी बचपन में तो देखी थी, बचपन में ऑब्वियसली देखी थी, बट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर वॉचिंग इट इन द थिएटर एवर। मतलब आई प्रीटी श्योर आई डिडंट वॉच इट इन थिएटर, वो टीवी पे हेयर एंड देयर देखी होगी। Knew mostly the whole plot of the movie, but I recently watched it a couple of years ago, 2022 में, when we were doing like a series of Shah Rukh Khan movies, basically indoctrinating Anjali back to Bollywood and India from USA के बहुत हो गया. So this was one of those movies,
This is definitely
and
one of the movies that you should watch if you're coming back to India to know what you're
yeah,
stepping into. The
like all of this, but फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. Which I think is a very good summarization. So, I mean, yeah, it wasn't as fresh, but I mean, I think the feeling was a little different this time around. बहुत closely देखी because for the podcast we watch it with a different intent and purpose also. कि यार ध्यान से देखना है, quiz में question भी तो आ जाएगा और खुद बात भी तो करनी है.
More than the podcast, मैं quiz के लिए देखती हूँ कि अच्छा ये scene में ये हुआ, okay अभी इसका ये नाम है, इस character का फिर भी character का नाम नहीं याद रहता है, but yeah.
I know, but yeah, I think it was एक तो मतलब one theme that's been constant through all my watches is that I always felt it was a good movie. I never thought that this deserved to flop, or I don't like, I understand why it didn't do well. Again, I think it should have done much better than that. It was a very good satire. मतलब throughout the commentaries they're making while joking about it, or it's sometimes is very in your face. There's not a lot of subtlety there. Is about politicians and news and consumerism in terms of you selling things in the name of anything at all, right? And obviously there's a element of corruption and politicians creating divides on basis of religion, which comes out when they portray that person as a terrorist, foreign terrorist, quote unquote. तो वो तो मुझे हमेशा हमेशा बहुत अच्छा लगता था. I laughed a lot more during this watch because it's just so funny, and like this time because of the podcast we watch it with a more SRK focus कि ठीक है, observe what he's doing a lot more. And there are and I think it's quite a sim movie. यार first half तो उसका बहुत ही funny है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. There are there are so many moments where you go, oh my god, how could anybody say no to this? Like look at him. When he's trying to woo Juhi for whatever reasons at that point. But so that I felt was really nice, like very simple experience overall, very funny. And it ended up being more emotional than all my previous watches. One, when Paresh Rawal tells the story of what happened to him, to his daughter. And finally, the final scene when Shah Rukh is on camera urging everybody in the country or in the city to come to the jail where Paresh Rawal is being hanged and to save him, right? So wo got me like very sort of emotional and sentimental because like at the end of the day you do have a lot of love for your country. आप जितना भी criticize कर लो या जो भी कह लो, and if you see things happening around which you don't agree with, and then you see that portrayed in a movie 24 years ago, आपको it hits you a little differently, I feel. So that is what actually brought about the waterworks more than ever. But I think like but what a wonderful movie overall. मतलब मुझे लगा बहुत ही good, nicely packaged. ज़्यादा इसमें they don't take themselves seriously at any point. Even Paresh Rawal, when he's serious, he goes back to being funny and sort of adopting both of them as their children. So overall, I think वो तो बहुत मजा आया. मतलब it's very difficult to pick flaws in the movie when you have such a good experience. That's my little two cents on it. Diksha, go ahead.
Yeah, I think so I've watched, this is one of the movies I think if you had asked me 10 years ago ki what are your top 5 or top 10 Shah Rukh films, definitely would have made the cut. And मैंने बचपन में बहुत बार देखी है, but I still never remembered. I when I was watching it yesterday, I didn't remember कि इतना comic element भी था movie में, because for me as a child watching it, it was a very serious movie. Like in the sense, it was, I think, my first introduction to the concepts of power and corruption and just everything that's bad in the in the world. Like not everything that's bad in the world, but you get what I'm talking about, right? Like there's like that childhood innocence which is for the first time kind of getting shattered कि अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है, मतलब innocent people can also die, and people in power can lie, and politicians are bad. Like those are concepts broadly that I remember just taking away from this film. And that was my memory of this film. Like I didn't remember कि मतलब इतना funny भी है, like that scene with all the pink dresses. जब आया तब याद आया कि अच्छा हाँ ये भी हुआ था कि the scene that I'm talking about is basically Juhi Chawla tricks Shah Rukh Khan into going on a date, but instead of showing up, she makes like 20 of his ex-girlfriends show up, all dressed in pink, and they all throw cake at him. And it's very funny, but I didn't remember that because that was not the takeaway for the movie for me when I watched it. And I think I definitely remembered Paresh Rawal's whole back like flashback story that he tells. The way he screams into the camera saying "मैं आतंकवादी नहीं हूँ," that is like kind of some kind of core memory for me. Where I when it was about to happen, suddenly it all came back, and I was like, oh shit, now this, and that is when I broke down for the first time yesterday while watching the film. Ki this is about to get really serious. And I think, but yesterday's rewatch, obviously, the other elements of the film also all kind of came together really well. Like it's a very good social commentary. It's a very good satire. I see why it might have flopped. Like as a movie, maybe it's a little disjointed, but I didn't mind it so much because I'm not watching that film for a coherent plot line and for everything to make sense. It's satire, right? It's political commentary. It's like there is something very serious happening in the background, and in order to make that more palatable to you, and they've added a lot of comedy and romance and very sexy Shah Rukh Khan to it. But yeah, I think the underlying message was probably relevant in the year 2000. It's still relevant in 2024. The way media manipulates public opinion, the way politicians manipulate media, and just the power of the common citizen. All of it was very emotional to watch. And yeah, obviously there's a lot of filminess that they add to it with Shah Rukh Khan, like, छलांग मार के आता है एकदम वो फांसी रोकने के लिए. But yeah, I mean, there's very relevant depictions of police brutality, of that one moment at the end of the film where Satish Shah suddenly is like, "Arey CM ko patthar maar rahe ho, usko turn the camera." Like all of a sudden his allegiances just changed. Like he doesn't care who's in power. He's not bothered about the politics. For him it's just money. Like the whole फांसी चल रहा है उसको, they are broadcasting to the entire nation. And because of the fact that they're broadcasting it, they're getting a lot of sponsors. And all of those sponsors are making targeted advertisement that are somehow related to like the fact that someone is being hanged. And it's so fucked up, but it's also such an important, just an important commentary on what media is, what sponsorship is, right? Like, I mean, when someone's about to die and they're like, they're making taglines like, remember, frame this moment, khachak, for a photograph ad, or like, रस्सियों का ad. मतलब किसी भी चीज को तुम कहीं पे भी घुसा सकते हो sponsor करने के लिए. It was like that, and it was just these very subtle things that I observed yesterday that really just elevated the movie experience for me. I think I've been talking for too long. But
मैं ये बोलने वाली थी कि उसका यूनिफॉर्म भी पूरा like sponsored है, जैसे क्रिकेट मैचेस में लोग पहनते हैं ना इसका,
मतलब जर्सी बना दिया है उसका, मतलब स्पॉन्सर्स भर दिए पूरे उस पे. It was so like. Yeah.
But also the jersey was done so rudimentarily, ऐसा लगा sticker लगा रखे हैं, rather than have like a prison costume made out of it, but sticker लगा दी, which also speaks to like,
obviously,
like the Bollywood production के चलो क्या करना है, sticker लगा देते हैं.
And the whole, like, we even after the overwhelming evidence to the fact that this man is innocent, they were like, no, we have to go through with this because we've taken so much money from all the sponsors. हमने इतने पैसे ले रखे हैं लोगों से, एंड द मिनिस्टर्स थिंक कि वंस ही इज हैंग्ड देन दे आर लाइक स्कॉट फ्री, बिकॉज दे विल बी लाइक नहीं हमें तो लगा था कि टेररिस्ट है, हमने देखा ही नहीं तुम्हारा वीडियो, तो हमने तो अपने देश के हिसाब से सही किया. लाइक इट वाज सो, एंड dude, even the whole like 50 सीट तुम्हारे मुझे दे दो and then you change religion, that happens now, dude. Like that's the crux of the Indian political system. मतलब just yeah, it was very I loved it. I loved watching it. I think despite its flaws, this was like a 5-on-5 movie for me.
Okay, I will just quickly say, agree to everything both of you have said. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Everything just comes together, even though, yes, I also felt कि थोड़ी disjointed है movie, but it works so well. And also, Shah Rukh Khan is wearing a stud and he is smiling with his cute dimples and wearing all these cute suits and stuff and with his wit and charm and everything. So I think मैं तो काफी ज्यादा biased हूँ. बड़े मजे आए मुझे. बहुत ही अच्छा experience. Also watching it with you guys together, I think it just elevates it a little bit more, giving the credit where it due. Oh, I love you guys so much. But हाँ बड़े मजे आए. Cutie.
Cutie तो था काफी, मतलब whatever the second half was, the first half was just very like the equation between Juhi and SRK is super cute.
Yeah, they have such ease in their presence, yeah. Like it is just, matlab technically Shahrukh is like, oh, this is my new competition, right? I am right now the face of media, and now this beautiful girl, whatever, is gonna take over. But when he sees her for the first time, even in the camera, when she's first introduced as Galaxy's face in a press conference, and he looks at her and he's like, oh, she's so beautiful. Like he's such a simp, yaar, like fully. Like even when she sabotages his press thingy when वो jail में जाता है and all, तब वो
his first reaction was to be impressed. That was very cool. Yeah.
मेरे को इतना level पे compete किया है. Full respect.
And he constantly says ना कि पहली बार कोई लड़की मुझे सच में पसंद आई है. So he's really like, he's trying to be the man and all and everything. It's too cute, yeah. Like too cute. So I think fully floored by Ajay Bakshi and his green car, India themed green car.
But orange shirt, orange tie, and driving around in a green car.
So that song, right? Yes, boss. Not yes, boss. Shit. I'm the best.
All the best.
I'm the best. So इसमें if you observe, right, throughout the colors that come in are blue, red, orange, and green. Especially the dancers in the front and background. वो orange, green, मतलब constantly, and it is such a, मतलब ऐसे I am the best गाना है. It's not even patriotic or anything, but subtly वो लोग tricolor colors डाल रहे हैं. अब वो what was the thinking behind it, I don't know, but I thought it's just only one scene, but consistently every time the front dancers were always wearing these four colors.
Even the first
fun
song,
color palette
Phir Bhi Dil
everywhere.
Hindustani.
Yeah. First song
तो है पूरा ही है ना, मतलब वो चूड़ियां भी उन्होंने देश के लिए उसकी पहनी हुई है, शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस भी ऑरेंज और ग्रीन है और पीछे के डांसर्स की एंड एवरीथिंग. सो बड़े मजे, मतलब
शाहरुख और जूही की जो केमिस्ट्री है, मेरे को तो इवन इन यस बॉस लगा था. लाइक दे आर सो कंफर्टेबल विद ईच अदर. It's not sizzling. It's not sensuous sizzling chemistry. It's not sibling, please. It's not sibling chemistry. Please.
It's like a very best friend.
It's very friendship. हाँ, exactly.
Yeah.
Very best friend sorts. कि हम we are best friends.
Like I'm so comfortable with you. Yeah. I can do anything. That sort of thing. Yeah.
Yeah. And in both, like in Yes Boss, वो nighty पहन लेता है उसकी, and in this movie he's wearing that sort of dress.
But, the dress and the towel in that that one song. No, I forgot which song. Preeti will remember.
कुछ तो बता ना मैं कितना बोला. I've been singing this to like फोन का नंबर घर का पता. I just love this man. Oh God, उसमें वो कितना वो टावल में कितना cute and sexy लग रहा है यार. Like, and I don't know if you notice, but there is this costume that he wears when the वो अखाड़े वाले जो लोग होते हैं वो अपनी body को show करता है. I don't know whatever that's called. तो उसमें भी जब वो shirt नहीं पहनी होती है, उसने कुछ
बॉडी बिल्डिंग कंपटीशन जो होता है उनका.
हाँ. तो उस
अखाड़े वाले लोग सो हरियाणवी हो. वो wrestlers होते हैं यार.
Sorry. But you get the gist, no? You love me so much. You
Yeah.
understand my broken brain. But उसमें भी वो इंडिया, like उसमें जो waistcoat पहना है येलो कलर का एकदम शाइनी, उसमें भी इंडिया लिखा हुआ है दोनों साइड, एंड उसकी टाई में वो इंडिया वाला क्लिप समथिंग इज ऑल्सो देयर. लाइक एवरी वेरी नाइस. लाइक वो फोन का नंबर के लिए वो पोस्टर लगाया होता है यार फोन का उसकी छाती पे. सो क्यूट.
I don't know if you guys have seen this a lot. मैंने कल भी बताया था, but a lot of clips from this movie are very viral on reels right now. Like that one scene between Juhi and Shahrukh where she's like, "तुम आदमी हो या बंदर?" and he's like, "तुम्हें क्या पसंद है?" And even that one with the chhata. So basically, Juhi Chawla is trying to open a chhata, and he's like, "दो मैं कर देता हूँ." And like every other man in the world, he takes the chhata and tries to open it, and it ends up breaking. And then he's like, "Oh, but don't worry, it's not going to rain today," and it starts pouring. And yeah, I mean it's also just a very, like, there are a lot of moments in this film that I think very 10 on 10.
Yeah, also like again to like we keep talking about this is Shah Rukh's comfort in being dorky and not being the man saving the situation a lot of times.
Yeah.
Just being funny and failing in his attempt consistently.
Consistently, like literally, even when they have this entire plan hatched to get the cassette and wo matlab cassette nahi, videotape, whatever, but they come, they drive in their red Santro and they jump off a cliff and land somewhere, and he looks at her and he's like suddenly laughing ki, oops, sorry, my bad.
I think the fact that he's not being the so-called obvious savior and just being so comfortable in his body, I don't know, like something about it is so comforting to me. Like in the whole song, he's sometimes dressing up like her, sometimes in costumes which probably no other mainstream hero would like to be in at the time. And it's just like at no point it feels like he's trying. He's just so, it feels like a natural thing to me. Like I never feel icky about it, or he's too trying hard and everything. I think anybody can't do it. Like nobody like him in that comfort. Or
yeah, another thing about him and Juhi specifically when they're on screen, I feel like he doesn't have to yield the screen to her. Like they just share the screen.
They share it
naturally.
Really well. Yeah.
Like it's never in any of their like characters ki matlab, oh, I don't have an idea, so that's why let's go with your plan. Like it's just very natural that Juhi's plan is just taken and they do it. Like, you know, it's never a thing ki acha mere paas kuch nahi hai to isliye tumhara kar rahe hai ya whatever. That also I appreciate ki matlab, you know, they're very treated as equals. I mean, obviously Shah Rukh is the superstar, but it's still more comfortable between the two of them.
Yeah, and in the screen space that they share and the roles that they have, it's not like Shah Rukh is driving everything.
Yeah.
It's not a hero-centric movie, more or less. I mean, eventually he does the jump and the save. But you
other
can
than
grant them that.
Yeah.
Other than that, it is very equally balanced. One is not a love story, so it's not ke chalo theek hai. Well, it's a satire, and both of them have an equal role to play in it, which I find like it's not. अब तो बहुत ही कम देखने को मिलता है. खैर तब भी it wasn't as prevalent in movies. There was definitely one dominant character and one dominant person in the whole storyline who was driving everything. Right?
And honestly, मेरे को तो ये भी लगा कि जो realization होती है शाहरुख को, because when the fire and the riots are happening and they're there, both of them, they're basically when the camera person is trying to shoot something, Shah Rukh's first reaction is ki, why are you shooting from that angle? Because that's not a great angle. Somewhere in Shah Rukh's head, it's like, oh, we need to get a better whatever coverage and everything. But it's Juhi when she sees the child and she hugs him and everything, then I think something snapped. Like, I don't know. Like it was very visible that now he's realizing the impact of what this is rather than just shooting about it. So I felt it was very naturally balanced, as you said. So yeah, like I really like that scene a lot.
Yeah, I think he somehow starts to understand his role in society as a journalist somewhere around the time that those riots are happening.
Yeah,
and you see them covering the riots and everything happening with a level of gravitas, right?
Yeah.
You don't see them see the same shithousery that they've been up to. In the first scene, there's a bomb, which is a pretty serious thing to happen. but they're pretty comical about it. Matlab, it could be whatever. It could be a terrorist have placed a bomb there, but they show it in a very light-hearted way.
Yeah,
that-
the crux of that story is that Shah Rukh saved a cat. So
Yeah.
that was
Yeah, right. But cut to this, when all of this is happening, it's like they don't, and the background music is also Vande Mataram,
Yeah.
right? Which I felt was I think one of the most powerful pieces of music you could
yeah.
have used to overlay this, and I think that also signifies this is where the pivotal moment of the movie is. One is this, and second is when they get to know that what Paresh Rawal's actual intentions were behind shooting that Magan Lal Gupta, whatever guy.
Yeah. And talk about one of the very, otherwise, I felt the important scenes, but done in a very comical manner, was the interview that Juhi actually ends up taking of the Behnoi.
Not
I'm
that
gonna
was
call
not
him
the Behnoi.
because
Of the Benoi?
That was that was
dies,
the
no?
other political party ka one guy who was in jail, dude. That was not the
Sharma,
oh, sorry,
Behnoi.
someone, not the Behnoi, but whoever it is. Sorry, my
MK
bad.
Sharma.
But
MK Sharma, the
MK
political,
Sharma, yes,
yeah,
yes.
he's the ally
Yes,
of
sorry, my
the
bad.
chief minister.
I'm just
Anyway.
obsessed with saying Behnoi. But how they show like कि अंदर वाला कमरा या बाहर वाला कमरा, and then ultimately it's the, like, you know, there is AC, like you see a window AC, you see fridge, you see beer, you see non-veg food, and everybody is just chilling and playing and everything. So, and I still, like, I know I've heard about this from बचपन की, ये जो जेल में भी जाते हैं उनके लिए एसी होता है, उनके लिए वो जेल टाइप्स नहीं होता है, and there are different rooms and everything. But to be able to really show it in a movie, I felt it was done really nicely and in a way that it doesn't rub off people in the wrong way too much. I mean, I do think it was done a little safely. But I do think it's a very impactful scene, at least to my brain. So yeah, I really enjoyed when he says, "Acha, beer piyoge?" or something like that. So I'm like, "Ye kaisa jail hai, bhai?"
I was honestly a little
Hota
scared in
hoga
that
maybe.
scene because that guy was also like, you know, Ajay Bakshi to bada खतरनाक बंदा है, अपने साथ साथ ऐसी खूबसूरत लड़कियां लेके घूम रहा है. I was worried for them. I was like, कि निकलो यहाँ से निकलो.
But the overall movie's theme is so light, you sort of, except for that one flashback.
Also, guys, the movie's music is just so amazing. I just said in the beginning like some of these songs are my favorite. And at the same time, I think I was thinking about it कि क्या मैं Simp Moment में include करूँ, लेकिन और क्या is my all time, like I know Diggy's gonna say हर podcast में all time favorite. ये तो मेरा
मैं तो
movie
बोलने
का
वाला
हर
था
गाना.
कि this has to be like a data analytics thing कि सारी
Yeah,
podcast
Preeti's
कर
all-time
लेंगे,
favorite.
उसमें से हाँ प्रीति ऑल कितने परसेंटेज ऑफ सॉन्ग्स प्रीति ने गाए हैं और अपने साथ एक स्टोरी बनाई है और अपने ऑल टाइम फेवरेट बनाए हैं.
That's true. इसलिए मैंने खुद से ही बोल दिया. But यार क्या amazing, और क्या कितना cute है यार, मतलब also transparent shirt, SRK for the wins always, like कितना सुंदर लग रहा है यार पूरे montage में. And Juhi is so beautiful. I know I keep saying Shah Rukh, but Juhi is also so beautiful in all the song picturizations. Like they're both just too good, and the music amps up the movie so much. Like even after
It's a very
24
beautiful
years.
song. The Aur Kya, and
Like
it has this very glowy look to it, and matlab the whole color scheme is so nice. Like everything is blue, and then out of the, you know, there's just one red dupatta,
yeah.
and it's very visually pleasing.
All of these songs are still like at least part of my playlist for sure. Winning it even today. So yeah, just loved how the music is. Like a big Jatin Lalit fan I have been growing up and still am. Also, like it was a fun realization to have कि Jatin Lalit ने music किया है, लेकिन background music उनके साले ने किया, brother-in-law. I don't know, like Adesh Srivastava. I realized it like yesterday that they are related. But even the background score really does help in amping up the movie, and I think the music played a really big role. Like it does play a big role for me anyway. I'm like अब मैं बोलूँगी अच्छा next गाना वाला तू यार तू ही दिलदार, इसमें है ना बन के तेरा जोगी is also in this
Yeah.
only, right?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I love it. Like, and also the ease in which Shah Rukh is dancing throughout and jumping and smiling, and that's it's just too good. Like, I love the music. Yes. Any favorites that you guys have?
I really like
Right. Take.
और क्या and बन के तेरा जोगी. Like बन के तेरा जोगी is also very cute and मतलब the whole it's a very funny song also because the song is essentially a distraction while Johnny Lever is trying to steal the videotape and all his efforts are comical. मतलब वो पहले fire extinguisher से try करता है, अपना lock opener kit से try करता है, कुछ तो करता रहता है वो और बीच में he takes
फिर वो
that
फोटो घूमती है.
Tarak Mehta guy's head and like he's banging it against the safe and it's still not opening and then he just like frustration में वो अपना सतीश शाह का वो spin करता है फिर वो खुल जाता है safe. So that whole song is just very joyful to watch because it's funny also and the visuals are great and like yeah.
Yeah, that's also like my favorite song. It's the whole thing is so funny. It's so picturized so well, and generally the song is really nice. Of course, all the other songs are also damn good, but this one is definitely my favorite on the list.
Also the intro song में फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी. I love the lyrics of that song. It's just
You know,
so
like and I saw I think तुम लोगों ने देखा ही होगा कोई तो रील थी या कुछ तो फोटो थी जब वो वर्ड वो आता लिरिक के नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको. आई थिंक प्रीति का क्विज क्वेश्चन था. नए पैकेट बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी. शाहरुख अपनी सारी पुरानी मूवीज की ड्रेसेस पहनता है उसमें.
yeah.
Yeah, and I think this
मैं
was
ये सवाल
Preeti's
फिर भी
question.
पूछने वाले हूँ बट ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. We'll see
Oh
about it.
no.
And like तुम्हें अब भी नहीं आया
तो
था.
मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया यार.
ध्यान तो मैंने भी नहीं दिया but like I just remember उसमें से he keeps
हाँ,
changing things उसमें. Yeah.
Yeah, he changes 7 outfits. So anyway, we will come to that later. But yes,
I'm just gonna guess 7 iconic films.
तुमको चीज पुरानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
But before
Yes.
we get into the quiz, do you guys want to talk about your simp moments? Or do you want to review the film? I think we all loved it for sure, but like rewatch value, anyone other than Shah Rukh, and what would you rate it, Diggy?
It has so much rewatch value. Like I watched it in 2022, loved it then. Watched it now, loved it now. So matlab, it was a very fresh movie in my mind. I still loved it. Like every scene, like I wasn't even getting bored at any point. Yeah, to dekha hua hai, you know. So I think it has immense rewatch value. I'm going to rate it pretty high. This is pretty. I think it's 4 out of 5 for sure. Right. अब मैं एक नंबर काट कर रहा हूँ मुझे पता नहीं क्योंकि मतलब मुझे कुछ बुरा लगा ही नहीं इस मूवी में. सब कुछ ही अच्छा था. But yeah, overall like a damn good experience. And apart from Shah Rukh, बहुत मुश्किल है यार सोचना. I think the movie in itself is very well done, but a lot of what makes it a good is I think number one is Shah Rukh and Juhi's chemistry. Like them together on screen are driving the whole movie, right? And their clash between as different whatever news anchors. So without Shah Rukh and in fact without Juhi also, I don't feel this would have strikes the same to me. So no, without Shah Rukh, I don't think I would really like it. And 4 out of 5 would definitely watch it again for sure. Yeah, go ahead, Preeti. You go.
Okay, I'll go next. Because I'm so excited to talk about it. 4.5, I think so. I will definitely rewatch it again, and I rewatched it like recently. Like I watched it last year. So मेरे को पूरी मूवी बिल्कुल याद थी, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे को बड़े मजे आए दोबारा से देखने में.
बड़े मजे आए प्रीति. अच्छा.
बड़े मजे आए.
You said that like 7 times.
बड़े मजे आए बोल दिया है कि we can
take a shot every time Preeti says बड़े मजे आए.
और
half an hour.
और क्या कह रही थी मैं, एक सेकेंड अब भूल गई. बट और शाहरुख के बिना तो मैं नहीं देखेंगे. ऑल्सो दिस इज हिज ड्रीम्स अनलिमिटेड
debut
like,
production. Yeah.
What's debut and everything. And तो मतलब बिना उसके तो कैसे ही हो सकता था. तो I would not watch it for anybody else, even though the movie is really nicely done and I think कोई कर ही नहीं सकता यार. वो वाला wit और charm और dimple और stud वो सब कोई ला ही नहीं सकता except शाहरुख खान. So
Can I
Yeah,
just say
nobody else
something?
than Shah Rukh Khan.
We introduced this as an objectivity scale कि मतलब शाहरुख के अलावा मूवी में अगर कोई होता तो मूवी would you still watch this movie? And now we've just become, can anybody replace Shahrukh in this film? Guys, I don't think that's the point of the question.
we decide the point of the segment, right?
हाँ मतलब मेरे को
redefined
देखना ही
it.
नहीं है किसी को,
मतलब
मेरे को
मेरे
देखना
हिसाब
ही नहीं है
से
किसी और को शाहरुख के अलावा.
मेरे हिसाब से I think this movie would still stand the test of time if anybody else had been in it also. I think the movie is not good just because of Shah Rukh. That is how I perceive that question. So I would still watch it if it was another actor. Maybe I would not rewatch it as often because, like, you know, Amir Khan की movies अच्छी लगती है, but मैं ऐसे हर साल बैठ के नहीं देखती हूँ. तो that I'll say rewatch value, definitely I would love to watch this film again sometime soon. And for me it was excellent, like 5 out of 5, on par with Bazigar probably. Like I know it's a flawed movie, but I don't care. I loved it. I enjoyed it too much. I'm biased.
So now do we go into the synth moments?
Yeah,
Go.
let's do it.
Yay! Dinky, go first.
Okay, so mera there's that. So he's dropping when that scene happened, right? When he breaks the umbrella and they go and he drops her off at the house. Ek to is really cute with his mother-in-law, with not his mother-in-law, with future mother-in-law, with Juhi's mother, and that whole segment is very nicely done. But what I like, my same moment is when he's leaving the house and she looks down ऊपर से he's playing Stapu. वहाँ random कुछ boxes है, वो उस पे छलांग मार मार के Stapu खेलते जा रहे हैं. And he looks up and sort of smiles and does that hair
And he's
sort of
dancing
fluffing thing.
So cute.
That was, I mean, such a cute scene. इतना cute scene था वो. That and finally, and this is of course like I talked about in the beginning also, is when they are walking towards the jail and he and Chewie have the flag in hand. And
Oh, that was
obviously
such a powerful scene. Like,
such a powerful scene, right? And both of them have, they're not overdoing anything there. They're not overacting, and it's just they have a lot of, I don't know. It's very well done. That I felt like it was a very powerful scene done by him. And on there are a whole bunch of other cute scenes. I'll let you guys take them. But these two were, I think, by far one of my favorites and moments.
I'm going next.
Go.
मैं पहले ही बोल रही. For me, I think the scene I loved maybe best was when the first time he looks at Chewie, like through the camera, he just like he comes out from the camera and he has this expression on his face like, "Wow, kya dekha maine abhi?" Like he's just in that instant. He is such a simp for her. Like, yeah, he's a player
Yeah.
and he has a diary full of girls' numbers, but he's just so besotted with her in that one moment. I loved it. And yeah, I think I also really like the scene where he's appreciating how equal of a rival Juhi Chawla is. Like, he's like, you know what? I am impressed by what this woman has done. Like, yeah, she made a fool of me. She got cake thrown at me. She made, like, you know, made me face all the women that I have wronged in my past, and she stole my interview and she exposed my politician, but she did it. That is so cool of her. That was just peak SRK characterism in that film.
But sorry, I'm
Talk
just
about
jumping
yours.
in. What I really the thing that I also really liked about that scene is appreciating the fact that, you know, she actually did end up, you know, getting one up over him. He said, "Haan, very well done. Completely respect her. I like her more for that. But I am going to get back.
Yeah.
I am still Ajay Bakshi.
Yeah.
प्यार में करता हूँगा, but
He's
मैं
like,
अजय बख्शी हूँ."
तुम कितनी भी कमाल की लड़की क्यों ना हो, मैं फिर भी I am still the best.
Yeah. I thought that was really nice in character of Ajay Bakshi.
Yeah.
Cool. Sorry
Ajay
for jumping in
Bakshi,
there.
sweet and sexy.
Please don't bring about shit movies and their shit taglines to Shah Rukh universe.
गाना अच्छा है
गलती try
लेकिन
कर रही
यार
है.
अजय बख्शी स्वीट एंड सेक्सी मेरे को एनीवे आई
अजय
विल गो
बख्शी
विद माय
नहीं है वो, कुछ और है वो, नील बख्शी और हाँ
वो तो निकी बख्शी स्वीट एंड
whatever,
पता है मेरे
yeah.
को, like I'm just डिगी यार Please let me
भावनाओं
have
को
my
समझो।
Ajay Bakshi sweet and sexy. Ah.
कर लो
But
कर लो
anyway, yes, I will simp a little bit, no, so much. But my simp moments, I think that episode, what the fuck am I saying? But the scene wherein they're in the mall or something, when she's choosing watches and everything, and then Ajay Bakshi just comes in, and
Oh,
then
that
they're having this very
line.
flirty,
That line, yes,
yes,
that is too good.
and then he says कि ओ आपके पास बहुत सारी घड़ियां हैं तो आपके पास वक्त होगा ना तो हमको चाहिए मतलब मैं तो सिर्फ इसी पे मतलब I was so flat for SRK in that moment. I was like, hi, so cute. So one is that, and like so many. I mean, the whole song of Kuch To Bata, so simpy and everything. And then like one basically the banana scene where he's like, "Tumko kya pasand hai?" And he just smiles so cutely when he looks at her. Like that smile has something, I don't know, something beautiful. Like the wet SRK
It's his
face and
eyes.
all that.
It's always his eyes.
Yeah. And honestly, this last scene also where they are like he's proposing to her or something after the Pasi ka scene, and then she was like, "Acha, lekin tumko ye bolna padega, I'm the best." And then Juhi goes, "I'm the best," and then he was like, "No, you're the best." And I was like, "Thank you."
It's so childish, but it's so cute.
Yeah, so cute. Like so, yeah. So those are my like top simp moments.
मैंने बचपन में ये बहुत किया है तुम्हें बोलना पड़ेगा आई एम द बेस्ट
Okay, guys, are you ready for the quiz?
आई एम
I
नॉट रेडी
think so.
बट लेट्स गो अहेड एनीवे
मुझे लगता है मैं काफी
Technically,
अनप्रिपेयर्ड जाता हूँ
मेरे को
quiz
एक
के लिए। पहले
क्वेश्चन
तो मैं
मालूम
थोड़ा
है और बीच में हमने ब्रेक भी लिया फिर भी आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड लाइक
देखो मैं भी थोड़ी कम ही प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ इस क्विज के लिए, so it's gonna be a fun easy one in my head, but ठीक है, I will not give that a lot. Rules are please question पूरा होने देना, Diggy, especially you.
oh ho and how the turntables
And I'm going to use Diksha's idea of taking your name as a buzzer, so Diksha will say Diksha, or Digvijay will say Digvijay. Or do we want to say Diksha will say Digvijay and Digvijay will say Diksha?
प्लीज बकचोदी नहीं करते हैं, कंफ्यूज नहीं करते हैं लोगों को। खुद ही कंफ्यूज है आधे इसमें।
और
चलो
पिछली
ठीक
बार
है,
की
so
तरह ऐसा हो
दोबारा-
जाएगा कि किसी को आंसर ही नहीं मालूम है तो कुछ फायदा ही नहीं है इतना बजर में थॉट डालने का
चलो ठीक है, so you'll say your
अच्छा
name
लेकिन मुझे बात
and
बताओ, वेट आई हैव अ क्लैरिफिकेशन।
हम्म,
जैसे एक तुमने क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी बता दिया है जिसमें आपको लिस्ट देनी है, अब उसमें 7 आउटफिट है, राइट? 7 या 5
तो
व्हाटएवर,
वही
7 है I think।
ऑल्टरनेट कर लेंगे ना जैसे वो रबने वाले
हाँ तो
क्वेश्चन
उसमें
के लिए
कैसे
किया था
होगा? इट बी ऑल्टरनेट।
yeah,
प्रीति बोलना पड़ेगा
Whoever gets-
पॉडकास्ट है तुम्हारा नॉट कोई नहीं देख पा रहा है
नॉट कर रही है।
नॉट कर रही है
So honestly, in my head, I'm not gonna ask you. Like, I will tell you about the question. Okay? So then we'll decide. I will tell you
अच्छा,
what
the
the
question
ways
is
to the answer.
structured separately. हाँ, okay, perfect.
Yeah.
I'm just okay, cool.
ठीक है. So okay, guys. First question is जहाँ पे वो जूही को डेट पे बुलाता है, and where all the girls come in a pink dress. What is the name of the restaurant?
Digvijay, I'll let you finish.
बोलो.
Garden View.
Yes, you're right.
I didn't know this so
I don't think Disha knew this because
I didn't know this.
she was like, "कर ले, तुम बोल ले, मेरे को नहीं आता." Yeah.
Okay. Second question. What was the name of the jail?
I
Diksha
do not. Yeah.
was it
बोलो।
Yeah,
Central
बोलो
Jail?
Diksha.
हाँ।
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was Central Jail. आ गया था मुझे याद। Central Jail,
Okay. Next question. In the beginning of the movie, they are trying to defuse the bomb. Unlike Samar Anand, these two don't know how to defuse the bomb. What was the last wire they cut, which was wrong?
Digvijay.
Hmm.
Yellow. ये लो
Yellow,
ये लो
yellow. Yes.
वो तो 2 बार बोलता है ये लो. Okay.
Chalo, 2 Digvijay is at 2, Diksha is at 1. Next question is that Phir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani got an International Indian Film Academy Awards in a category. Which was the award? बोलो नाम बोलो.
हाथ उठा के रखा हुआ है उसने पहले से.
मैं पहली बार मुझे को आता है ये वाला. Visual effects. It got the award for visual effects.
Yeah, special effects. Yes, you're right.
Sorry.
It got what award for special effects?
Call it the IFA.
International?
I don't know.
Oh,
IFA,
IFA.
Indian
IFA.
Academy.
Oh.
IFA.
I was like, what? Film Academy Awards? ये Oscar
Indian
में क्या था?
International Film Academy. वो कोई नहीं जानता, सबको आईफा पता है.
Yeah, मैंने जान के किया ताकि थोड़ा कंफ्यूज फील करो.
एक ही अवार्ड
so-
मिला यार मूवी को, सिर्फ एक अवार्ड मिला.
ठीक है.
Visual effects, yeah.
Next question: which year is the universe in? And it's a second two-part question. So, where do we actually know? Like, what's the proof to know this is the year they are in?
Okay, Diksha, I know the second part of the question. I'm just gonna guess the
Okay.
first part. I'll say 1998 because there's a "Hum Aapke Hain" poster. "Hum Aapke Hain Kaun," not the "Hum Saath Saath Hai" ka poster. Okay, now I don't know which year. 1995. 1995. Hum Saath Saath Hai ka poster.
It's wrong. It's wrong. Diggy, wanna take a guess?
Is she wrong on both accounts?
Yeah, she's wrong on both the counts.
Damn it! I was so sure about the "Hum Saath Saath Hai" poster thing.
That's actually very good guess यार. हम साथ साथ हैं वाला तो अच्छा, अगर पोस्टर है तो फिर तो मतलब उसी साल में होनी चाहिए मूवी. बट हम साथ साथ हैं was I think 97.
That's what I don't remember the year, and I was like, movie poster tha. That is the sign that it is that year.
Also, just reminding Digvijay, if you're guessing, you have to say Digvijay because otherwise I'll give Diksha the point.
अब तो
if you
मेरी
get the
बारी है
answer
ना.
right.
अरे अब तो मेरी उसकी बारी तो हो गई. उसने तो गेस कर लिया. तू नहीं बोला दिग्विजय, यू वांट टू गेस. अब मैं दिग्विजय बोलूं वापस से.
हाँ.
ये कैसे क्विज मास्टरी हुई
चलो.
तुम्हारी.
अच्छा ठीक है, आंसर करो.
फालतू में स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाह रही है बट खुद के रूल्स भूल रही है. क्या होता भाई?
कैसे याद कर रहे हो? मुझे ऐसे बताओ, अपने ब्रेन को थोड़ा.
मुझे लग
ऐसे
रहा है या तो
बताओ.
दे टॉक अबाउट इलेक्शंस या क्रिकेट के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे. लैंडमार्क चीज तो यही होती हैं. आई थिंक क्रिकेट की जर्सी इज द 99 वर्ल्ड कप जर्सी एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स 99.
The answer is 99. Yes.
Okay, cool. चलो ठीक है. ये तो सही बोला. Good. But the my logic is good.
Yeah,
The
your
kind of
logic
is yours because it's the
Yeah,
exact
yeah.
jersey they wore in the 99 World Cup.
What was
Yeah,
the correct
but,
logic?
What was the correct
correct logic is that there is a calendar in the J, which is 1999 February. Like they are in February 1999.
Bro, I think
So
the "Hum
that's
Saath
how-
Saath Hai" logic was better. Even the India jersey logic was better. Calendar कौन देख रहा है?
better.
Background में कौन साल का कौन से महीने का calendar रखा हुआ है? What?
अरे उन्होंने लगाया किसी रीजन से लगाया guys. What are you saying?
बोलो ना प्रीति.
हाँ, उन्होंने इसलिए लगाया कि
तुझे पता
24
कैलेंडर
साल
सही है.
बाद प्रीति क्विज
अब
होस्ट
तो
करेगी. उसमें वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगी लोगों से.
अगर
वो
उन्होंने अपडेट
साल
नहीं
में
किया
based
कैलेंडर.
है.
अपडेट
अच्छा ठीक है guys. Last question. Last question
चलो,
which
ठीक
you
है.
already know about.
I've already lost the quiz, so.
So
वेट इसके पॉइंट्स
uh,
कितने हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन के? क्लैरिफाई करो. 7 पॉइंट तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
कि
I will
तीन
give
इसके
1
तीन
point
है?
only. नहीं 1 point only.
One तो
This
कम
is
है.
not. हाँ, 1 कम है, कोई बात नहीं. 1 is the only point in which you have to get at least guess at least 4 movie references that are there in the section where he says कभी नए पैकेट में देखे तुमको चीज पुरानी.
I'm out.
So yeah.
मेरे को 2
So
मालूम
how
है.
do you want to do this?
Diki, you want to
सुन,
collaborate on this one? You can take the points. Anyway, I'm
I
losing.
mean, I'm sure I know 4 यार. मुझे 4 तो पहले ही पता थे. मुझे पूरे 7 नहीं पता होंगे. But like technically अगर तू सिर्फ 1 पॉइंट दे रही है तो बस somebody raises their hand and says all the okay.
अगर चारों के चारों सही है तो दे दूंगी, वरना एक भी पॉइंट दे दूंगी.
दिग्विजय.
हाँ जी, बोलिए दिग्विजय.
कोयला for sure.
क्या?
उसका वो आइकॉनिक सा जो होता है वो. Right. कुछ होता है पक्का आता है. Right. Then
Pardes, I
that
think.
छैया कौन सी मूवी थी यार? दिल से. दिल से is there 3 हो गए. And wait, पर्दे की
I think वो violin वाला था ना, मतलब परदेस वाला जो.
वायलिन वाला था.
मतलब वो
मुझे डुप्लीकेट याद आ रहा है कि केतरी जी याद आ रही है.
केसरी तो
It's
बाद में
चश्मे,
आई थी।
चश्मे चश्मे बादशाह
मोहब्बतें।
बादशाह
Yes.
बादशाह
ओ
Bacha.
बादशाह।
Yes, you're right.
हाँ
ठीक है,
ये
you
है।
got the point.
बाकी मेरे को नहीं, बाकी is duplicate part of it?
दिल तो पागल है is part of it. Duplicate is not
Oh.
part of it. I think.
Pardees was
तो
there,
कौन सी
no?
है?
I think I
बाकी
saw
तीन कौन
Pardees
सी है
was
फिर?
there.
हाँ, and DDLJ
बाकी तीन
रहा
कौन सी है?
होगा।
हाँ, DDLJ और Yes Boss है। DDLJ नहीं है शायद से, Yes Boss है।
Yeah, my
तुम्हें पता है
guesses
शायद
were
पूरे
going to be
शायद से
DDLJ,
क्या
Pardees
मतलब है?
and Yes Boss.
प्रीति शायद से क्या मतलब है? तुम्हें साथ पता होनी चाहिए ना कि तुम किस दे रही हो।
पता है गाइस मेरे को अभी मैंने इसलिए 4 बोले ना यार, कैसे से हो एक तुम्हें अच्छा तुमको चांस दे रही हो, पॉइंट ही नहीं दोगे। मैं -2 फॉर डिग्गी for trying to be this extra person. Anyway, Diggy, you won the quiz. Yay! Drum roll. She, do you want to
Thank
say
you.
a word?
-2 मिल गया देखी तुमको। इतना बुली करते हो प्रीति को। क्विज में -2
शायद से था। मैं कहा यार ये तो थोड़ा सा
Listen,
पता तो है।
I will bring all the people who think I am the simpiest person and everything, and you guys bully me in this podcast so that people will just be like, हाँ तुम लोग
You know
इसको
what?
क्यों
They'll come and they'll still
बेचारी को
bully you because bullying you is fun.
We agree with him. You're in love with Shahrukh Khan.
Yeah,
तुम हर
you're
movie
the
देखते हो,
OG
तो मेरे साथ
like-
कब शाहरुख खान ऐसे करेगा?
This is basically 10 रुपए की Pepsi. Shahrukh Khan is sexy, but mainly it's the Preeti and Digvijay show featuring Diksha.
That is
No,
not
please.
true.
Like,
But
see,
okay.
I don't thirst after Shahrukh.
Yeah, you don't thirst.
Like, I have a lot of,
But
I
you
have a
simp
lot-
and
I have a lot of admiration for him.
हाँ, I
Yes,
think
yeah.
Preeti is the full package.
Preeti
She's-
goes a little crazy, hormonal
Preeti is
when it
the
comes to Shahrukh Khan.
ultimate Shah Rukh Khan award goes to Preeti.
Yeah. Oh.
Are we guessing
Oh,
the
you sh-
movie next?
Oh
What are we
shit!
doing? No, right?
We
I
have
don't-
not. We
We
forgot
have not
about the
even
next
decided
movie.
who is choosing the movie.
Okay, no, wait. Who's choosing? I should choose it. I
ठीक है,
think.
कर लो, चूज कर लो। 2010
मेरे को बोले थे समरी याद नहीं है, तुमको ये भी याद नहीं है कि तुम्हें कौन सी मूवी
अरे हमने ये डिसाइड ही नहीं किया कि किसको चुननी है।
तो किसकी
तुम्हें
गलती है?
याद
मैंने
नहीं
तो
है क्या मतलब है? हमने शेड्यूल ही नहीं
ये
किया
तो
है अगला एपिसोड
collective
कब
decision
करने
था।
वाले।
2010 कर रहे हैं, right?
Yes, 2010 कर रहे हैं, तो I think Diggy go
हाँ।
ahead and pick a film and then we can guess one.
अब थोड़ी सी तो बची हैं।
We are so organized and scheduled, guys. Like in general, actually we are. Okay, we've just been a little
Cool.
off of our game for a few weeks.
Yeah. Okay, I've decided. I mean, you all both of you get one guess each because मिल के कुछ 7-8
Okay,
movies
my
ही हैं।
guess is Happy New Year.
My guess, यार देखो मुझे याद नहीं है कि वो booked है कि नहीं, but my guess is My Name is Khan.
My Name is Khan book नहीं है, but that's not the right movie. The movie we're doing is जब Harry Met.
Yeah.
And-
Oh, yeah,
And why-
I guess. I'm not sure.
And why we're doing it because when I saw it, I felt it felt a little flat. Okay, I didn't see the chemistry between Shahrukh and Anushka and मतलब वो
ये तो
age
अगले
difference
एपिसोड
वाली-
में बताना है।
अरे but
Bye.
क्यों चूज करके तो बताते हैं ना।
Guys,
नहीं
I
बताते।
would
तो अगले
I would
बताना
like to
है।
come clean. I have not seen the movie, and
Oh, that's
also
good.
I don't like the
That's
songs
very
in
good.
this film at all. Sorry, Preeti, in advance.
हवाएं तो
अगले
अच्छा है।
एपिसोड में we'll discuss करेंगे।
And
Guys, अगले एपिसोड में क्या बातें करेंगे? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
हम बहुत बातें करते हैं।
क्यों नहीं? 1 मिनट के
क्या?
कन्वर्सेशन से मेरा एपिसोड नहीं खराब हो जाएगा।
मतलब
ठीक है।
प्रीति अपना रैम्बल करते रहे करेगी। हम दोनों जरा सा रैम्बल कर लिए, मैडम को गुस्सा चढ़ गया। How dare you?
Preeti trying to reverse
अच्छा,
bully.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हो तो
But
नहीं
like,
पा रहा है मुझसे।
people are pretty crazy about this character on Twitter यार। मतलब वो Harry is such a good character, such a deep character, इसके बारे में बहुत बात होनी चाहिए थी। तो I thought कि let's give it another try. That's my thought.
हाँ, मैं तो fresh
that's why we're doing
perspective से
this.
देखने वाली हूँ. So, but I
Fresh
don't
try.
like the songs of this film. I know it's like generally popular आजकल की, but हाँ,
अच्छा।
ठीक है, चलो.
पता नहीं यार, तुम एक ही fan है।
Save something for the
Cool.
next episode.
Alright, cool. We're done, right?
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
कुछ बचा है? भूल गए हम कुछ? नहीं, इतना ही होता है।
Thank you
Guys,
बोल देते। Thank you for
everyone,
listening to us.
thank you
यहाँ
for
तक।
listening to us, and thank you for watching the movies along with us and for giving us all your lovely comments. I met a lot of my friends recently who are avid listeners of our podcast. Yay! And they all had very nice things to say. So I really appreciate
मेरे
all of you.
मेरे दोस्त कब तुम्हारे दोस्त जैसे बनेंगे, कब सुनना शुरू करेंगे? चलो, okay, cool.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for listening in. Bye.